Hi guys, I'm back and sorry for my lack of voice. I've gotten sick again. Actually, it's just a sore throat, but like it still sucks, so what can you do? But yeah, so sorry, it's been such a long time since my last video. I think it's been like 2 months or something already. But yeah, I'm just waiting for like all my stuff to come in so I can do like probably another whole video from Starlander and stuff. But yeah, this is just gonna be a back to uni, back to college, as some of you guys are from, makeup tutorial. But yeah, so because it's been so long since I've done one. But yeah, this is gonna be my look, and this time I'm gonna be talking to you guys, so yeah. Anyways, it's gonna be like really quick and easy and like not too much work, so I hope you guys enjoy. So let's go. Anyways, I'm gonna talk throughout this, so I hope you guys don't mind. First up, I'm gonna be combining 2 foundations, and it's gonna be the Double Lasting Foundation by Etude House. It's in shade number 7, I think, or number 23. It's not in number 7 Amber, which is the darkest shade, but apparently they released another shade which is darker than this, and I'm really bummed because they literally released it like, wish they released it sooner, but you know. And I'm also going to be using the what is it, Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in number 46 Warm Honey. So yeah, I'm just going to combine the 2 and put it in my Rimmel blender. But yeah, so yeah, now that school's back, like, you know, uni's back for me for the new year, aka 2018, and I just want to say, like, I still don't know what to do with my life, with like literally everything. Like, I mean, if anybody has the same concerns as me, please comment. But yeah, anyways, it's my 2nd year at uni and I still don't really know what I want to do. Like, at first I thought I did, but now I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna shut that. Like, it's my 2nd year at uni and I still don't really know what I want to do with my life. And like, I know you're not like meant to get everything like, you know, done, and you don't have to be sure of everything, but it's just so like, I really hate uncertainty if you know what I mean. And like, it's just like, been on my mind. Like, I don't really know like about my majors and stuff like that. Like, at first, like when I started, like when I was like picking out my uni and like major and stuff like that, you don't really major till 3rd year, but like you can choose beforehand what you want to do and stuff like that. So yeah, I actually need to put foundation on my forehead because I'm growing out my fringe, because I was like, you know what, that was cool for like a year, but I'm kind of over it now, so yeah. But anyways, I was just saying, yeah, so like I don't really know what to do, and it's just like, I kind of want to change my major, but like, and I feel like my parents would like totally nick me if I did, because I spent so long trying to convince them of doing political science, because that's kind of my major. It's like politics and international studies. But yeah, I just like, does anyone else dread going to uni, or is it just me? Or is it just my anxiety? I'm not too sure, but yeah. Okay, that's done. Please comment below what major you guys are doing or what you're studying at uni. Or if you're not studying at uni, tell me, because I just want to know. Like, I mean, people doing like, there's so many different things you can do at uni and stuff like that, but like, it's just like so great. But yeah, please comment and like tell me if it was like your dream and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm gonna put powder right now, and it's the Innisfree no sebum mineral powder because it's cheap and I'm a broke uni kid. Oh yeah, the reason I'm not putting too much powder is because the weather's getting like colder now since it's like autumn in Australia. But yeah, but somehow we're still getting summer heat blasts. So at the weather, can you please, like, you know, follow your season? Okay, so that was powder. Oh my god, I totally forgot what I was gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. I'm gonna use the Ulta 3 eyebrow kit. Yeah, like, you know, life is just so like frustrating. Like, I wish I knew what I was doing and everything. Like, I really envy kids that like know what they want to do and stuff like that, because it's just like, damn, I wish that was me. You know, you got your whole life sorted out, like you have a plan and stuff, but I don't have that. Well, I used to, but you know, I feel so lost and stuff like that. It's just ugh. Anyways, trying to be positive and stuff, because I had such a shit year last year, so you know. With my anxiety and stuff. But I'm just trying to get positive, stuff like that. Hopefully it'll be okay. Damn, my eyebrows actually look good because I shaved them. But yeah. So anyways, I hope everybody else is having a good time at uni or college or whatever you guys are at. Hopefully you're in a better position than me. Oh, on fleek. Do kids even say on fleek anymore? I feel like that's such old slang. Oh shit. I fucked up. No, it's okay. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Freaking, I watched Black Panther like 2 weeks ago on my birthday, and it was so freaking lit. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, the fucking hype, like, it was so worth it. Like, it was not what I expected at all. Like, it was just like so freaking good. Like, bro, like, y'all, any of my subscribers or viewers, if you have not seen it, fucking go see it. Like, support our POC brothers and sisters, you know. This is like black excellence. Please support it because it's so good. Also, everyone is like fucking good looking. Like, Chadwick and Michael B. Jordan, but like Lupita and Letitia, like literally everyone is fucking hot. So like, oh my god, I hope Letitia's like overage. But like, anyway, if she's not, she's cute. If she is, she's cute. So yeah, everyone's just like so like, oh my god, like seriously, like so on point. Okay, so next up, so I do my brows. They are actually looking sleek as fuck. Is blush, and it's gonna be the cheektone powder by Tonymoly, and it's in shade P05. I'm just gonna use this brush and just dab it. Okay, so just, oh wait, I should probably use this instead. Well, just on the straight across like this, kind of on the apples. If you're wondering why I'm not using concealer, it's just that I sebs. That's it. That's the reason. I just fucking seems. Like, that's the honest answer. And like, I would use concealer, but like my eye bags aren't that bad. So yeah, that's literally it. Also, this shade is very like peachy. That's the way I would describe it, the shade. At first I thought it'd be like too light for me. Because like, if you see it, it's like orangey, but it's like pinky orangey, and it is kind of light. But like, actually it looks really good and I really love it. So yeah. Anyways, put this here. Next time I'm going to invest in better lighting for you guys. Seriously. And if you're wondering why I'm not gonna contour my face, it's because I use blush as a contour and I'm literally too lazy. This is meant to be like easy makeup because, like, you know, some of us have freaking like 9 AM classes or 8 AM lectures. I don't understand how people do that, to be honest. Like, how can you wake up at like ungodly hours? But you know what? That's life. And I wish they would goddamn stop doing that. Like, stop making 8 o'clock classes. Seriously. But yeah, just gonna put on my bridge of my nose to make myself look younger, low, and cuter. That cute look. Yeah. You can't see it on camera, but it looks much better. Much better in person. Anyways, yeah, I think that's done. And then the easy part is for the eyes, because my eyes are naturally, well, one's hooded and one's actually a monolid. But what I usually do, because it's back to school / makeup, I use the same blush and I just use it as eyeshadow. So you just use your finger, and you can do it with like you can do it with any shade, literally. If you have monolid, or even double eyelids, whatever. Like, if you just like sebs like me. So what you're gonna do is just put all over your eyes, and it looks hella cute. Anyways, that's me because I'm lazy. Anyways, yeah, so anyways, go watch Black Panther. It's so great. I seriously cannot believe the fact that Chadwick is fucking 41. What the fuck? As I say, black don't crack. Legit. Like, that's crazy. I can't believe he's 41. Like, he literally looks like mid-20s. Like, honestly, if he said he was 20, I'd believe him. Because some 20-year-olds are like, whoa. You know? But it's like, I think Michael B. Jordan's like 30 as well, or something, 30 something. Like, Lupita's 35, what the fuck? Anyways, it's fucking crazy. They look so fucking good. Anyways, yeah, just put it on your lids. What else do I have to do? Okay, I'm going to do my lips. It's the easiest. And I'm going to use the 3 Concept Eyes in both the shades 222 and 220. So what I'm going to do is going to use this shade first, and I'm kind of going to do the gradient lip thing, but like less obvious, if that makes sense. Shoot, I've got lipstick on that, but it looks, otherwise than that, it looks okay. and I've been obsessed with this, and they're really good quality, and the packaging is so great, so please invest in them. And just put, that was shade 220, and then use 222, and I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of my lips. My lips are chapped off, but yeah. And at uni, I don't wear mascara because it's such a bitch to take off. So that's literally, oh, okay, wait, and highlighter. Okay, never forget highlighter. Sleek makeup, this is like additional. If you want to use mascara, that's like an add-on, but personally for me, this is my look. So I'm just gonna use Sleek makeup in Cleopatra's Kiss highlighting palette, and then I just use the shades. I use the powdery shades because my skin oily AF. So yeah, just on here. And just on the nose bridge as well. Yep, and that's pretty much it. Anyways, that was really short. I just realized I didn't really get to talk much except for my uni, my life, my existential crises at the moment with uni and stuff like that. But yeah, this is my finished look. It is really easy and simple. Maybe I should do it. It's just a really easy and simple look. Like, you know, just customize it. Do whatever you want to do, you know. You are your own makeup artist. So just do what you want to do. This is what I've been wearing lately, and it's really easy, and I really like all the products that I've been using. And the colors, it's like a peachy slash where's my mirror? It's like a peachy slash red slash orange, I know, orangey slash red kind of makeup, and I've been really digging it. I don't care, like, I know like autumn colors, you meant to go for like more, is it like burgundy, like purpley colors, but fuck that shit. I'm gonna be wearing these summer colors still, so yeah. But anyways, this is the finished look, and I'm gonna film it in normal lighting as well, just so you can get better at the pickup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really simple. It's literally like 4 steps. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and my chat, which is basically just me ranting about my freaking life troubles and Black Panther. But if you enjoyed Black Panther, please tell me about it too. So yeah, because freaking it was so good, and just like, you know, POC, supporting our POC brothers and sisters, you know, support them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys are enjoying life and having a good day, so, or good night, whatever, you know. Hope you guys are enjoying school slash college. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it.